Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Let me fix my camera real quick, guys. Camera is tripping. All right, there we go. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, the Doja. Good morning, Mr. Grind Time. Good morning, J Floyd. Good morning, Keith. All right. So, yeah. Before we get started, let's have some music going on. Pretty sure you guys can hear me real good. All right. So, we're looking at AUDJPY. Excuse me. Actually, just it really didn't break the support zone, so we're still gonna wait a little bit more here. But I'm gonna mark all these zones right now. Okay, so looking at AUDJPY here, looking at it on the H1 time frame now, you can see we have this most recent support zone here. We can go to the H4 as well. And we also have this support zone here on the H4 to the left. Support zone here. Support here. Go to the H1. Got this support here, turn resistance. So we go to the 30-minute time frame here. Now we can see that AUDJPY was actually ranging initially, which was right here. We got this range here, and we have our resistance zone here. Alright, so looking here at AUDJPY, we have buys above 92.000. Good morning, Abdul Muhammad. Good morning, James to FX. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, UD. Alright, so right now looking at AUDJPY, what we're gonna do here. Now we're gonna have a sell stop. And have a sell stop right here at 91.546. Sell stop at 91,546. So we'll see what happens here with our sell stop. Good morning, O Square. My sell stop is at 91,546 for AUDJPY. Good morning, Zay. So I'm gonna have an alert here so I will know when this sell stop gets activated. So I can set my stop loss and stuff. Alright, so now we're gonna go to NZDJPY here. I'm gonna delete this. Alright, so looking at this on the H1, we got a resistance here. Support here. Let's go to the H4. Got this resistance here. this support here. Alright, so NZD-JPY is still ranging here. Alright, so we'll see what happens here. Look at GJ. Okay, so we're gonna have to do GJ again as well. Let's go to the H1. GJ just broke out of this resistance here.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end.
So looking at GJ,
I'll find the one.
since we have price above this resistance now, so all we can do is to wait for price to create another resistance somewhere here, and we wait for a pullback, or we can still wait for a pullback here and just get in the continuation. So we'll see what happens with GJ. Right now there's nothing we can do but to wait here. we have this rejection down here, which was actually a previous support, and it actually became a resistance here. If you go to the H1, you can't really see the resistance here, except if you go to the 30-minute. You can see this resistance here on the 30, see it better on the 15, it's clearer on the 5 as well, so see this resistance here. So if price breaks this zone here, then you have this next zone here. You're looking at about 20-25 pips here, and maybe price is going to continue pushing up from there. So looking at GJ, could have buys above 161,900. So we'll see what happens. To NZD-JPY here. This candle closes in 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Let's look at EJ. Price just broke this resistance as well on EJ. All right, so we could have we could have buys above 138 300 here. Oh, my audio is not out. I just wasn't saying anything earlier. All right, so potential buys above 138 300. Jewel is not here today, at least not yet. You're up 25 pips on GJ, nice. So we'll see what happens with AJ here today, guys. And we could actually have sales below 138 100 just to ride it back down to 137 500. What the hell? What just happened? Oh, you was having connection issues, Jewel? Alright, so I don't think this sell stop is gonna get activated here on AJ. So okay, since GJ is going up and yeah, so we're gonna look for something else. So you guys can cancel the sell stop on AJ. Right now, GJ is still in a range. GJ is gone. GJ is absolutely gone. I would have caught this move if I had seen it here. My entry would have been this candle here. And I'll be up real good now. I'll be up 40 pips. But no, there'll always be another entry. We just gotta be patient and wait for that entry. If we're able to take an entry here. I don't think I'm gonna trade USD JPY today. Look at CAD JPY. We got this resistance here. So today we can actually see that JPY pairs, they actually not moving together.
Took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said. Yeah, I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody
Okay, if you still have your sell stop open, you can leave it. If you don't have it open anymore, set your sell stop again to 91,546. Because if AJ should start coming down now, it should just break right through it, and our sell stop will be activated. So we'll see what happens here. G, you doing nice? Oh man, I felt like 45, I think about 50 pips on GU last night. So if GU breaks above 1.23, 800, can take buys. Potential buys above 123, 800. Sell stop on EJ is at 91.546. I meant to enter this card JPY sales, but I missed it already, so now you just gotta wait for it to break up below this range here. So we'll see what happens. Because here, as you can see, price broke this previous resistance. Before it broke it, it created a support here, broke it, we tested it, now it's coming down, so we'll see what happens. So we really don't have a high impact news today. We only have a medium impact news for GBP, and it's not really going to affect the market because we don't have a forecast numbers or a previous numbers here. Whenever we see that on Forex Factory, it just means it's like nothing is going to happen for GBP. It's not going to affect GBP today at all. Euro JPY is still in a range. CJ is still dropping. Missed this already. This would have been a very nice entry here. Like I said, GJ is gone. We missed this first entry here. Now we just gotta keep waiting, because if you look here to the left, GJ has too much stuff going on here to the left. But if we look at this candle here, we have clean traffic here to the left here. So we'll see what happens. If we get a resistance here at 162.200, that would be nice, and then we can just probably ride this up to back up to this week here. This week fill here at 163.200. So we'll see what happens. We just need price to create a resistance here for us before we can get in. Here on EJ, see what happens here.
Du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby, hey, yeah, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara live om mig.
On EJ, can have your buy stop at 138,325. Buy stop on EJ at 138,325. So we'll see what happens. OG, you just broke this resistance zone here. Now we just gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and we'll see if we can get an entry. But then we also, once we actually break above this resistance here, then we have clean traffic. Then we have clean traffic to the upside here. Let's back to this zone here. We have clean traffic. we'll see what happens with GU. How much excuse me, how much do I risk per trade, and how much do I risk per trade? Look, so for me, I risk 1 to 2%. That's what I risk. If we break below this resistance turn support here, then EJ should be coming down. We have this minor zone here. Just looking at it on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, EJ should be coming down. So, but we'll see what happens. So once EJ closes below this previous resistance turn support here, then EJ should be coming down here. But there's too much stuff going on here though, so it's gonna be a risky trade. We'll see what happens. No, we're not in any trade at the moment. Like, why do you want to know how much I do average every month? People are worried about the wrong thing. You need to worry about yourself and stop worrying about me. No, we're not in GU buys yet. We just gotta wait. You gotta wait for this candle to close.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, I see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele.
How many likes we got so far today? We got 20 likes, and we got almost 50 people watching, and we only got 20 likes. And keep smashing that like button, guys.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah.
I'm not in any trade yet, David.
Like me, oh yeah. You see me,
I already told you how much I risk per trade.
please, you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah. No. But,
I already told you, I said 1 to 2%.
come to me,
If that's not enough for you, I don't know what else to tell you.
Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. The Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the
Okay,
Lord.
Raja and controller. Alright, we're not the same.
I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again now. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, see. You are not a friend of me, no.
Man, look at CJ.
More to me, more to me.
Man, we missed out on this one.
Friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.
So EJ is just ranging here. If you took GU buys already pre-New York, which was this was actually at 6:30. Didn't even look at GU at all. 40 pips. So that's 60 pips here. And this move would have been nice on GU if we caught it. But now you just gotta wait. There'll always be another opportunity. Alright, Maduleka. took it from 1.23484. Yeah, my entry would have been somewhere here if I caught these GU buys. Because it broke it broke this previous support here to the left, broke it here, we tested it before it started pushing up. Just like this move here on GJ. We've missed some entries today. Missed GJ, missed GU, missed Cat JPY. But our time will come.
Sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind, My focus been
Oh, you used the chat I sent. Oh, that's nice.
wasn't our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right,
Good morning, Super Data Wolf.
and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better.
Now we just gotta wait for GU to break this resistance here.
Feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight.
You said I'm not trigger happy. Time will come. That's why we missed it. No, I think I was looking at other charts when the move was happening, so that's why I missed it. For example, this GU entry here, this candle was actually at 6:30, and that was actually when I started, and I wasn't looking at GU at that point. The first pair I started looking at when I started was AUDJPY, so that's why I missed this GU. So now we just gotta be patient. Another entry will come. I want to take this AJ drop, but it's just too risky. This is a very risky sell here. Too much stuff going on here, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. I'll look for a better looking trade here. So EJ is too risky. Actually, if it was buys, then yeah, I'll take it. But this sell, I'm not confident in it. I don't. Too much stuff going on EJ. If we go to the H4, actually, I won't be taking any EJ sales at all until we break this zone here. Now, I don't know when that's gonna happen, but yeah, until we break below 136.600, I won't be taking EJ sales. I won't be taking EJ sales. Even if it starts dropping like crazy, I'm staying away from it. Staying away from it. Yeah, man, JPY still dropping here. It is what it is. Sometimes you'll miss your entries. Then you gotta wait for another entry. So we'll see what happens with AUDJPY here. Still ranging. Yeah, I saw GU, but we closed above, but you can't get in right now, because if you do, you have this resistance here to the left at 24100. So you gotta wait for this resistance. You have to see if we're gonna get a rejection again there, or we're gonna have a break and close above. Like, if you try to get in now, like, you're looking at probably 15 pips, take profit, and like where are you gonna set your stop loss? It's a very risky move here, so you just gotta wait. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. Alright. You can keep dropping, EJ. I'm gonna wait for this sell stop to be activated here. I think JPY pairs, they're gonna come down. They're gonna drop. Now GG already created a resistance, rejected it at that resistance zone. See it better here on the 5 minute. Now it's kind of ranging. So we'll see.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. 'Cause I want this to last.
If we didn't have this support zone here to the left,
Go too fast.
then if this candle flips bullish, I would have been looking to take the buys, and my stops would just be below this week. But we have this support zone here to the left on GJ. There's too much stuff going on.
Seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast. 'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. 'Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Yo, Zesty.
I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do?
So we just gotta wait for this 30-minute closure.
Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me?
So CJ dropped to this range and flipped bullish.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
So we have sell stop already on AJ, so we're just gonna see what GJ is gonna do here. He found resistance at the previous support, so we'll see what happens. How you like to meet Prince? So looking at GG on the 5-minute time frame here, it's looking like we have a break and retest, but we gotta wait for more closure here. See if price is gonna break these highs. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Gotta go use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back. Oh, how G's looking like? Okay.
I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey, chepe, niña tombong panta, yeah, maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, swim my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh no 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 no. Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud. How I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect? How I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game.
What did I miss? Good morning, Millionaire Potential. Yeah, EJ is definitely coming down now. So looking at GU, because honestly GU, the overall trend is still a downtrend. The H4 time frame will let you know. So if we have closure below this, resistance here, then I'm going to be taking GU sales. The people that took this impulse entries, they're crying now. They'll be hoping that GU continues bullish. But if we break below this resistance here, below 123,770 here, it's time to sell GU. It will be time to sell GU.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me feeling
So we'll see what happens.
who better than I. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my
You said GJ will need to retest the resistance broker.
At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the pussy wet by the shoulder rest with the cockatoo. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you.
If I'm gonna sell GJ, it has to break below 161,600, which is this previous resistance zone here.
Won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my place.
I said, boss.
Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game.
Nice drop on EJ. I knew it was gonna drop now since we have this weak rejection here. This dude you can't do here. Man, come on, AJ, just freaking activate. Are you staying off JPY pass for now? I mean, I anticipated this move. I'm just not. I just wasn't confident taking it, so I didn't take it. So if you have buy stops on EJ, just cancel your buy stops on EJ. Yeah, you can leave your AJ stuff.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already
We have a resistance already created here on GU. So
way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure.
just gotta see if it's gonna break below 123,750 or if it's gonna reject.
I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping into deep.
And if it breaks this, if it breaks above 124, 1.24, 100, it's gonna. It should be a great buy. It's going to the upside on GU, but and if it drops, if we're able to take these sales, just gonna ride this thing all the way back here, all the way down here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens on GU. Yep, the 8 a.m. GBP nails had no effect on the market at all. Man, today should be a good day. GG is gonna drop as well.
I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat.
So let's see what we're gonna get with GU here. I mean, for a swing trade, you wait for closure. You wait for price to break structure, and then you can take your trade, or you wait for a break of structure, then a retest, and then you take your entry. You take your position. That's all you gotta do. I don't trade Euro NZD. But if you trade it, you can send your chart to the Telegram and I'll take a look at it. If we had a support zone here to the right, probably would have had a sell stop here. But since we didn't have a support zone here to the right, I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close, see what the next candle is gonna do, and then we can take our sell position.
Promise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. And make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. 'Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Time just keeps on ticking faster. I don't know the way. Just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I could feel fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. 'Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby.
H4 time frame on GU maybe just made a week. Yeah, we're just waiting for this candle to close. GU should be heading back to 1.22700 right here. I just need this 30-minute candle to close. Okay, AUD JPY and NZD JPY really acting up here today. Good morning, Antonio. Oh boy. So this candle is a little bit too far gone now, so we're gonna have to wait for some type of retest here after this candle closes before we can take GU sales. Exactly, Zay. That's what I just said. Since it's falling hard like this, we're gonna need a lot of patience here this morning. And this EJ sales here, I purposely didn't take it. Like I said before, I just don't like how EJ looks here. So even though I feel like EJ should head back down to this support here. So we'll see what happens. The sell analysis was right. I just didn't feel confident taking it. If I'm not confident in the trade, if I don't like what I see, then I won't take that trade. That's just me. And doing that has made me a profitable trader. Yep, same here, Maluleka. No trade yet for me. Patience, patience, patience. And when you're looking at any pair and you saw a trade setup, if you're not confident in it, just don't take it. Just don't take it. Look for another pair. If you trade more than one pair, and if you only trade one pair and you don't like the first setup you see, then wait for another trade setup. If you only trade one pair, that's just, that's what it is. Even if it means, you're not gonna trade that day, then it is what it is, because at the end of the day, you really don't need to trade every single day. You really don't have to. Looking at GU now, I need some type of pullback here before I can take these sales. And guess what? If it keeps coming down, maybe I might not get the retest here. If I miss the move down back to the support zone, it is what it is. But guess what? Will have another opportunity right here at this support zone here. So I'll have another opportunity right there. So, that's all I just gotta wait for. Because, we can still either get a retest somewhere here or not, or it can just keep coming down. So we'll see. You can decide to give us nothing but bearish candles all the way back to the support zone. So, I mean, would I love to get in somewhere here, around here somewhere? Of course, because then I'll be able to potentially make more money. Because I'm looking to ride this thing back to 1.22 700, like I said before. So we'll see what happens. Absolutely, Prince. Absolutely. Even though we've been looking at all these JPY pairs, that does not mean I'm gonna freaking trade all of them today. Oh, yo, boy, look at freaking GJ. I don't understand why AJ and NZD are not real, they're not really dropping, they're just ranging. I don't know what's going on. No, you didn't miss anything, Jewel. We got 3 more minutes here for this candle to close. Even though this thing, I believe, already fell so let's see. Yeah, already fell like 15 pips here. Because, GU is a very volatile pair, so. You're welcome, Jewel. Man, this candle is insane. Just keeps dropping, boy. Yeah, so now since we have closure below, now we're just waiting for a retest. So if we don't get it, then we look to get in below 1.23 300 here. So we'll see what happens. Plus, they can actually close with no bottom wick here, so we could possibly see a pullback here. We have a 50% chance of seeing a pullback here. So, but we'll see what happens. Yo, DC Trading and Company. How you doing, my brother? So like I said earlier, we got a 50% chance of seeing a pullback here. So we'll see what happens. Alright, looks like we're gonna keep coming down here. Yeah, so we're gonna keep coming down. So now we're gonna look for entry below 1.23 350 now. So we'll look for entries below this zone. But one thing I do know, GU should be heading back to 1.22 700. If this 4-hour candle actually had the top wick here, or even the 1 hour candle had a top wick, then I would have got in on this trade on the 15-minute time frame here. Caught 50 pips on GJ. Nice. At Pre-New York. Nice. We've not taken any trades today. Congratulations, Mr. Grind Time. That's major. Okay, I'm liking this move here on EJ. If this candle flips bearish, you got a sell right there though. Potential 30 pip move. I have a sell stop here. You can have a sell stop at 137,796 here on EJ. Hi, so you think you might try this program for fun? You should. No, it's not. It's just arranging here. All right, Mr. Grind Time. Oh yeah, Joel. I got my pips last night. Asian session. I took GU, EJ, AJ, and NZDJPY. So I took 4 trades. I won 3 of them, lost 1. EJ was the loss. I took a loss on EJ last night. Does anybody have their sell stop here on EJ? I'm gonna use a small lot size here on this EJ cells. Yeah, you're right, Trevor. You said breakout traders are sick right now. All right, come on, AJ. It's about time you start dropping. Yeah. Yep, Gio would have been the trader of the day. You read about that one, Zay. Honestly. Like I said earlier, the reason why I didn't take it was because this candle had no top wick. Like if it had a top wick, if it had given us something like this, let me see if I can draw this. If it had given us something like this, yeah, something like that, boy, oh boy, then I definitely would have taken this else. Then I would have taken it on the 15-minute time frame. I'll wait for this candle to close, then I would have taken it right here at this candle. So, yeah, so we missed out on that one. So now we just gotta wait and see what happens at this support zone. Oh, I did good with this drawing, even though I suck at drawing. Even though I knew it was gonna come down after this rejection and this candle here, but I needed more confirmation. So this bullish candle here could actually still flip bearish here. And if it does not, we'll see what happens with the next candle. So we're gonna see what happens with GU. Hopefully this 30-minute candle can close below. So while we're waiting on GU, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, we're waiting for this bearish flip and for our sell stop to get activated here, so we'll see what happens with EJ. Oh boy. Hanko got you in? So let me look at mine. Oh boy, they got me in too. They freaking got me in too. Okay. They got me in too. I need to have stops above this week here. So we're looking at the 20 pip stop loss here. Yep, they got me in on EJ. And GU just keep breaking structure. This thing does not want to pull back at all. I think AU to JPY just got activated. Oh boy. This thing is freaking. Okay. Alright. I was just trying to freaking.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately. Taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted. Thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know we're better. Better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better. Better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Thinking about what I would say. Getting better day by day. Same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet. Let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire.
Well, I mean, I told you guys about the sell stop on EJ, so I'm actually in EJ and AJ sales right now. Both trades were sell stops. We got 62 people watching. Let's see how many likes we got. Oh no. Keep smashing that like button, guys. We need more likes here. AEDJPY smash 10 pips. Euro JPY smash 10 pips. Moving stops to break even. Can I see some W's in the chat? Oh. I didn't mean to do that.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence.
Alright, both trades smash 10 pips, most stops to break even. And let's see what happens.
Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you.
Let's go.
Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, AJ is trying to take us out here.
You wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe. Fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast.
AJ, you better not take us out. You better not do it.
When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me.
Man, GU drop, man, would have been nice.
Nothing that you
It would have caught potentially.
make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast.
It would have caught a 50, 60 pip drop here.
Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night.
Now, guess what?
Goes fast.
If this candle, this 30-minute time frame candle rejects this zone here,
You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast.
guess what? You have a sell opportunity right there. Even if this candle flips bearish, you could have. I'm just giving you guys how you can get your entries if you're having issues with entries. Now you have potentially two entries here. You could have a sell stop somewhere here, just in case this candle flips bearish, or you could wait for this candle to close and hopefully have a retest here for price to create a resistance here, and then for price to keep pushing up. So you're gonna need a weak rejection here for price to keep pushing down. So, and if you have a sell stop somewhere here, if your sell stop gets activated, oh man, then depending on where the top wick is gonna be, then you just have your stop loss above that wick. So, but yep, stopped out of AJ. Stopped out of AJ. AJ decided not to keep pushing down, so hopefully EJ is not going to stop us out. I say you do. Yeah, 20 pips for today. So you took your pips and dipped. Oh, Zay, did you restarted your challenge? Did you restart your challenge yet? We need more likes, guys. 49 likes. Oh, 54. All right. Not bad. Keep it coming, guys. Well, AJ stops us out now. He wants to come back. Man. If NZD/JPY actually really start dropping, then it actually has a clean traffic to the left. Where is it? Gotta go to the H4 here. Yep, it has clean traffic to the left. AJ sales would be nice if it actually. NZD/JPY sales would be nice if it breaks below this support. Oh, man, look at AJ, boy. On my small account, I'm out of this trade. On my big account, I'm still in. Come on, EJ. As long as EJ doesn't stop us out, then, we'll still be in it. Oh, you're starting tomorrow? Okay. Yeah, it's too late for you to get in EJ sales, Jacqueline. We had a sell stop. That was our entry. I guess you missed it. It would have been nice if AJ didn't freaking stop us out. But we got our 10 pips and we dipped. At least we still got EJ running. So see, maybe EJ will give us 30 pips in total here. If these 30 pips get smashed, I'm gonna take another partials. And then my final target is absolutely gonna be this zone. I'm gonna just let it run. And then I'm gonna keep trailing my stop loss from there. So we'll see what happens. Right now my stops is just at entry. Thank you for subscribing onto Jar. Thank you for subscribing, Alec or Alec. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name correctly. No, actually, the AJ, when we got an EJ, the stop loss was actually for 20 pips. That's not really too tight. That's not bad. But we got stopped out here because we moved our stops to entry. So, but it's gonna keep dropping. I'm pretty sure some of you already got in again. But I'm still in AJ actually on my other account. I'm still in AJ, my small account, and the challenge account I told you guys I started. I'm out of AJ, and EJ is still going. We moved stops to break even, so we're still going here. So we'll see what happens. On my the challenge account I just started. Let me see how much have I made so far. I'm up $560. I need to make $2,500 to pass phase one. So today is the first day of the week, so I'm in trading week, so I got to Friday. Hopefully I'll pass phase one this week, and then we'll go from there. I'll keep updating you guys though. Since most of you have been like, man, I should try out the challenge account, prop firm, blah blah blah. I'm like, okay, well, let me do it. Let me try it out. I mean, there's nothing wrong with me getting, adding more money to my pockets. Who called you on Friday? Who called you on Friday? Honestly, if NZDJPY gives me a nice entry, I might take it. But I might take it. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's what you gotta look for on NZDJPY now. You need to, it has to pull back a little bit more. So you can have a possible, if you're looking to get on GU, you can have a sell stop here. So you gotta look for, or you wait for this candle to close, and if the next candle actually opens bullish and flips bearish with a top wick, you can actually take a sell from there. Oh, you signed up for Audacity? Oh, I didn't know you did O Square. So you did your interview already? Did they approve you? Did they approve you, O Square? Man, look at AJ go. Man, NZDJPY, boy, oh boy. I don't know if this is gonna pull back here. Anyway, I'm not gay. If I'm gonna trade NZDJPY, if it does not pull back, I'm not getting in it. But this candle closes in 2 minutes. Yep, GJ did a nice drop as well. Flipped. and then dropped 36 pips. I want to see if we're gonna have a retest here after this candle closes. So we'll see. I need a retest back to this zone or back to this where we got all these wicks. Or back to 83,106, somewhere there, before I can take a sell on NZDJPY. Oh, come on.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me.
But you know, we still got EJ running in, running here. So we'll see.
But what's standing in my way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Know he's bad for me. So what's standing in our way? And he's out of my league. I feel insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go.
Look at it. AJ is crazy, man. AJ did us dirty today. I wasn't expecting it to freaking take us out. But, I'm still in. Actually, my TP1 already got smashed. I mean, should have. Let me see. Yep, my TP1 smash on AJ. TP1 got smashed on AJ for 20 pips. That's because I took partials, but I didn't move stops. on my AJ on my other account. Look at AJ go.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again.
Oh, you closed your EJs, eh?
Got all that I need.
Yeah, you should have held it.
No, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there.
See if you smash 30 pips here, then I'ma move stops. Move my stops to profit, and I'll take another partials here.
Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need.
This EJ is at 36 pips right now from our previous entry. It's good. Alright, EJ smashed. EJ smashed 30 pips. I'm checking another partials here.
All these memories that we made
I'm taking another half.
for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room
Took
for
another half on EJ.
I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize.
TP1 and TP2 smashed on EJ.
I got all that I need.
AGA TP2 smashed. Huh.
Waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need.
Man, can I see some more W's in the chart? Today is going great.
I got all you need. I got all you
My final TP on EJ is actually down here. Now what I have left running, I'm gonna let it run. Now, if you're still in EJ, you see where you can move your stops to. Just move your stops just a little bit in profit here. Once price creates another low or another lower high, then you can move your stops there. So new stops at 137,727 if you're still in EJ. Just do what I'm doing, guys. New stop loss is gonna be at 130. New stop loss at 137.727. GU is selling. If you had a sell stop, did it activate? This candle has no top wick. Let's see. So if your sell stop has been activated, then stop loss for 20 pips. So hopefully this candle does not flip bearish. Does not flip bullish because it has no top wick. So we'll see. So you can have your stop loss at 1.23282.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe.
Can have your stop loss at 1.23282, which is at this bold red numbers here.
Go to a favorite
So
place. Oh yeah. Make special memories.
hopefully it keeps pushing down.
I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away.
Hopefully it keeps pushing down.
Go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze.
You can target this zone here.
Put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you. Go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away.
Man. Caleb, NCT JPY is gone.
My face in a
He's gone, bro. And it's a clean traffic to the left. Potential 80 pip move here on EJ.
We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from
Ooh,
a
look at
ghost
GJ.
town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in a
Yeah, this type of candles is a 50% chance. It has no top wick, just like this GU candle. It has no top wick here. Hopefully it drops like it drops just the same way GU dropped.
we won't ever come down. We won't ever come
Hopefully it dropped exactly the same way it dropped. So we'll see what happens though.
we won't ever come down low.
Because the sell stops has already been activated. Actually, we got a 30 pip move here on EJ. We actually closed at 30. So that's a total of what? 40 pips on stream. Yeah, what happened to this song? It's finished.
In the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything.
You made 1K. Whoa, nice with my Forex phone. Nice.
I know you wanna touch.
London, New York, they done. Congratulations, Antonio.
You alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to you about
Man, keep smashing the like button, guys. How many likes do we have right now?
if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side.
Only 58 likes and we got 72 people watching. Come on, guys. Keep smashing that like button.
If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day.
Yeah, Antonio is on fire.
When we're all dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing. When I'm with you and baby, when
I don't think NZD JPY is gonna pull back. I don't think it's gonna pull back to this. I don't think it's gonna pull back to 83.000. I don't think so.
we gon' be okay. Hear me when I say.
So you already missed it. You just gotta look for another entry somewhere down here.
I'm gonna treat
So
right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on
but I could be wrong, so you know.
the right way,
We'll see.
I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Hi, Job. How you doing?
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. night off. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. Ooh. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off.
guys. So they will test that at the 5 minute. This candle has no top wick. This bearish candle. Same thing on the 5 minute. I would say wait for, if you want trying to get in on AJ, wait for it to break this low here on the 15 minute, and then you can get in. Wait for it to break below 137,353 on the 5 or on the 15 minute, and you can take your sales. Yeah, remember what I said about these sell stops here being activated. So I actually closed mine because I didn't like the fact that this candle has no top wick here. So I actually closed mine. I closed my GU sales. I didn't make no money. It was just like, it was nothing. So I didn't close it in loss. I closed it in profit. So I'm no longer in GU sales until further notice. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you want to do the same thing, you can close out of GU. Hopefully some of you closed it the first time I talked about the fact that this candle has no top wick. So the only trade I actually, okay, now look at the 15 minute, it flipped bearish. This is nice. So if this candle crosses below this low here, if it crosses below this low here on looking at it on the 15 minute time frame, then that means EJ is still coming down here. So we're still pushing down. Another entry here on AJ. Possible 20 pip drop. Another entry there. Yep, another entry, nice one. Yeah, there's no entry yet on AJ, on NZDJPY, because if we look at the 4-hour time frame, like I said, we got clean candles here. And come tomorrow, if NZDJPY keep dropping, we got this support zone here at 82,100, 82,050 here. So we just gotta see what happens. But right now, looks like price rejected this. I think he rejected this zone here previously. Yep, that's exactly what he did. Yep, look at it on the 30-minute. He just rejected that zone there, but we still have clean traffic to the left on NZDJPY. So you either wait to see if NZDJPY is going to push all the way back to this previous support zone, or you wait for price to break this low. Looking at the potential, just a 15 pips trade here. Or you can have a sell stop right here at this week at 82.655, because this candle still has enough room to flip bearish here. Thank you for subscribing, Meme TV. You having problems with Streamlabs? Why? Your cousin is a broker on Wall Street. That's nice. It would be nice if this candle flips bearish. Uh-oh, they're back. The dating site people are back.
Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend.
So you can choose to have a sell stop at 82.652. And then we only have about a 15 pip range here. Just in case, if you want to do that. We already took 2 trades this morning. You can see it on the screen, on your screen. And we have a runner running on EJ here. Our final target here is about almost 85 pips here. That's our final target. And then we'll see what happens from there tomorrow. Once I get this 85 pips here, I'm getting out of EJ. No gold trade for us here. Alright, if you took the sell stops on NZD-JPY, it's just been activated. I'm still on here just to help someone that missed out on the 2 trades earlier. So That's why I'm still on here. So we'll see what happens. This is not now. This first TP here is not a good. It's not a good risk to reward ratio here. We're not even. This is not even a 1-to-1 right here.
You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale.
So if it keeps dropping, it could, reject this zone here or this zone here.
I know that I won't get
So actually, looking at where this candle actually flipped, it should get to 82,450, which is right here.
these feelings that I got for you.
And
We'll be here for a while, but we both know that it don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses, but
looking at it right now, it's just playing around. So it's just playing around. Okay, now we're looking at least a 1-to-1, 1-to-2 is to reward here now. If it gets here. GU has slowed down. Exactly, Antonio. That's the spirit.
maybe it will come a sunny day, a day when I forget you. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Even though I want to, I can't seem to get you. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Even though I want you, I can't seem to get you.
So we've been on this thing for almost 4 hours now. So yep, I'm still in EJ myself. Still in EJ. All right. So guys, if you're still in the EJ, just keep trailing your stops, and my final TP is at about 85 pips here at 136,957. That's my final TP. I'm gonna keep trailing and moving my stop loss here as price keeps going in my direction. So we'll see what happens. Looking at it on the lower time frame though, it's still ranging. But if it breaks this low at 137.332, now EG is gonna keep coming down. At that point, I don't remember where the TP was, man. Now at that point you can move. If it breaks below this low here, now you can move your stops to this lower high right here at 137,535. So you just gotta wait for price to break this low, and then you can do that. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna end this stream. Thank you guys for hopping on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow same time, 6:30 a.m.